In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can turn this $12 Chanel pouch into a cute little purse. The first thing you're going to need is one of these pouches from Chanel. These come from the holiday gift sets this year, and when you take into account the price for the gift set minus the products inside, this pouch comes out to $12. Next, you'll need a conversion kit that includes D-rings as well as the chain of your choice. I'll link the ones that I ended up going with in the description box below. Your conversion kit will come with some D-rings, and then there also should be a punch tool like this. But if you don't have a punch tool, that's okay. You can also use a screwdriver of your choice. I'm going to use this one that I have from my Ring camera, which I actually preferred over the punch tool that came in the kit. Then take your tool and punch through the fabric of the bag where you would like the D-ring to be. Your D-rings should come with screw backings. Take the backing and through the inside of the pouch, put the screw part through the hole. Next, take the other side of the D-ring and screw it onto the screw. You can use your hands to do this, but if you'd like a tight fit, then you can also use a little screwdriver, which is what I opted for because I wanted to make sure that the D-ring is securely fastened. Once you've completed one side, you'll repeat these exact same steps on the other side with your punch tool and your D-ring. Once you've completed those steps, this is what the D-rings will look like on your pouch. I opted to pick up this Chanel-inspired chain that has the adjustable pearl, just like the Pearl Crush bag, but you can have fun with this, so pick whatever chain or strap you really like. Just make sure that the clasps are compatible with D-rings, and then just attach your chain to the D-ring. I really like this clasp because it has the 360 turn, which is really nice because it keeps your bag from tangling. And there you have your new little Chanel holiday bag. I hope these steps were easy. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you really liked it, don't forget to hype it. And I hope you subscribe to my channel.